Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on data saver in Telegram. So the first thing is open up your Telegram and then we'll start from here on the home page. Let's say for one reason or the other you need to turn on data saver. Let's say your Telegram is using too much data. So what do? The first thing you do is tap on the three lines at the top left corner, tap on settings, open up this menu, and now you must note something. There is no one button or feature that is called data saver you cannot simply turn on. Instead, there are little steps you have to take. For example, you tap on data storage and then you make sure that this automatic menu download. All these are turned off. Do not be using data, make sure it's turned off. Then all this off. Then streaming, make sure it's turned off, because if you don't turn it off, Telegram will start playing the videos and music right away without waiting for the files to fully download. Then you see this part of calls, useless calls for data. Make sure you choose always. So useless calls when you're making useless data when you're making calls, and that's it. That is a step you can take to ensure your data is saved in Telegram. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.